Hi everyone, welcome to day 3 of Christmas cookies from the cookbook kitchen. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm having fun discovering the different Christmas cookies from around the world. And today it's an exciting one. Number one, this cookie recipe is gluten free. So for all gluten-free lovers, come. We have not forgotten you. So today we are cooking Brunsli. Oh Lord. Pronunciation, if it's wrong, I'm sorry. So Brunsli are Swiss Christmas cookies. Welcome to today's video and let's see what we're working with. So I've gotten this recipe from a website called Otelengi. Guys, please forgive my pronunciation this Christmas season. If I pronounce that name wrongly, I'm so sorry. But I'll put a link in the description for this exact recipe. So this is what we are working with today. I have some ground almonds. Some sugar. In this bowl, I have some cocoa powder and some icing sugar. Some eggs, Chinese 5 spice, salt, some vanilla. I've forgotten orange zest. We are back with the orange zest. So in our bowl that we already have the icing sugar and the cocoa powder, I'm going to add the almonds, orange zest, the Chinese 5 spice, and the salt. So I'm going to mix this first. So we are supposed to use the egg white, not the whole egg. So the egg white. So we are going to add it gradually as we mix. So here is our dough. We need to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. The recipe says that we shape it into a flat disc. That's enough. I'm going to use a star cookie cutter because that's what the recipe says, but also you can use any cookie cutter that you have. So I'm done. So the next step, before we bake them, we need to sprinkle it with some sugar on top. I'm going to bake them for 12 minutes.